All the way over in that tree is one sitting there. It's calling. Let's see if I can't entice it over. Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Here you come. Look at that. Come on! There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's patience. It's all patience. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come and get some. Here, I'll put some more. I'll put some more. Come on. See if it comes down. They've got great eyes. Come on. Come on. Grass parrots just turned up. I don't know if you can see this. It's just filmed on the phone. I did put some seed over at the greenhouse area. Come on. Come on. There you go. Here we go. We got one. And here comes the other one. Come on. Now they're going to blue. This is what they do. Pecking order, just like chickens. Yeah, it's okay. Come on, here. Come on. Come on. Absolutely wild birds. I love it. I'm literally a meter away from them. I'll show you how I train them in a minute. One of them, once the seed runs out, here they come. Now I'm less than a meter of them. Here's my hand. You can see my hand. It's amazing nature. You can gain its trust. I can sit here and watch these birds for hours. I'm sorry about the background noise. It's our spa. It's decided to kick on. It's time to kick on. These are two young males. The differences between these birds you can tell when they're completely red-headed, they're males. The females are green, and then you can see the young birds when they come along with their parents. Some will be green and some will be speckledy red and green, and you can see what's going to grow into a male. So we've got two males here at the moment. Hopefully I can entice at least one of them. One will probably get spooked, the other one will hang around, and we'll see if we can entice one of them. It's just how I teach them. Calm the beast with the food. Come on. Yeah, they love it. They got their own pecking order. They know what's going on. There goes one. Let's see what we can do with this one. This is how I train a wild king parrot. Absolutely wild bird. Come on. Come on. Look at that. Come on. Come on. Here. Come back. Come on, mate. Come on. Come on. This might take a few minutes. We'll see how it goes. Come on. Come on. Sitting up in the tree, it's looking at me at the moment. There are 2 pairs of galahs, so there are 4 galahs. You probably can't see them up there, but if I put it in the bead, if I put it in the bird feeder, the king parrots don't come. Come on, come on. Here we go. There we go. He's coming to have a look. See him up there? And he'll have a look. Come on. You know I'm going to feed you. You got to come to me. Come on. Oh, you're a little bit shy because you're new, aren't you? And come on. Come on. I'll move my hand away. Come on. Come on. Come on. See if I can entice it. This might not go the way I want it to, but come on. Look at the food. It's the food. Come on. I'll put a little bit on here. Come on. Here, come on. Get out of your way. Come on. You know you want it. You know you want it. Look, you're looking at it. Come on. Once they get used to you, they're pretty good. With new birds, you can tell. We have a lot of birds that come here that are young. Parents have been coming here for years, whatever. And now that they're young, they will come and get the seed. I'll sit down and he'll come back. Oh, I didn't have to sit down. There you go. This is how we train the wild king parrots to trust us. A little bit of food. It's okay. It's okay. They end up trusting us every year. And more king parrots come. Oh, look at that. You're cracking into the corn. That's amazing. They usually don't crack into the corn. Yeah. You eat it out of the cup. So, nothing to be worried about. He's a very young bird. Very young bird. He'll come around for the next 2 years.
galahs are in the trees. The galahs are pretty much a bully. We've also had some grass parrots here. The grass parrots and the king parrots get along. The parakeets seem to get along really well. But yeah, the galahs seem to bully them away. We've got 3 feeders over there, and the galahs will overtake the whole 3 feeders. Then the cockies will come along. Here comes the grass parrot. And see how they get protective of each other. I'll see if I can move this parrot along. Come on. Come on. Come on. The grass parrots are pretty good. The king parrots are they're just beautiful. They're just gorgeous birds. I don't need to have birds in a cage. They're just sensational. You feed them. I can go out there, I can walk around, I can clap and make a noise and get rid of the galahs, the cockatoos, the black jays, the king parrots, because they know we're not here to scare them. They're not fussed, they hang around. The king parrots are a new addition. The grass parrots are a new addition. The king parrots, we have had up to 40, 50 birds here. We've got 3 feeders and they punch on over themselves. This is how, they just trust you. Once you feed them, there goes a corn kernel. They love it. We all love it. We all love it. Nature at its best. See how close I can get. The bird might get a bit worried. The bird might not get a bit worried. But I'm within a foot of it at the moment. You know, bird don't care. The bird don't care. It knows it's not in danger. It'll eat out of your hand. As long as it knows it's not in your danger, you're not a predator, you're not here to hurt it, they begin to trust you. Oh, there you go. Come back. Come on. Spooked it a little bit, yeah. Yeah, I spooked it a little bit. They don't like to be pet. You don't need to pat them. They're not a pet. You feed them and they're happy. So just a little video of tonight after work, up at the hill. And with the wild animals. It's awesome. Maybe I can get near it, maybe I can't. Try again. There's enough food on the bench for it. There you go. You can hand feed them. I've got previous videos of these birds that I've gained their trust. They land on your head, they land on your arms, they eat from your hand. And these are totally wild birds. Completely wild birds. Anyway, enjoy. Because I sure do. Catch on. So they're cheeky buggers. Once they've finished all their favourite seed out of it,
They got good eyes.
Come on.
See if I can get it.
This is what it comes down to. Come on.
Come on. Oh, hang on. I'll bring it over this way. Come on. Yeah. You know what your favourite is?
Don't you? Yeah, I can see you looking at me. You're not worried.
Come on. You can do it. Yeah, I know. Come on. Come on. Jump onto me arm.
Do it.
You know there's sunflower
Flower seeds in there.
Come on.
You know they're in there. Yeah.
Come on. You gonna make them? Yeah, come on.
There you go.
Nothing to be worried about. Hey, come on. They're amazing.
Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm going to make you work for it. You're making me have a long video here. Come on. Hope people enjoy it. Come on. Come on. I'm going to make you work for it like you're making me work for it. Come on. I'll pick out one sunflower seed. One sunflower seed. There it is. There it is. One sunflower seed. There it goes. Come on, mate. You take it out of my hand. Sunflower seed. There's a cook on the barbecue. Come on. Yeah, I know. Come on. Look at all these sunflower seeds. Yeah. Come on. Oh, come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on. You know I'm not gonna. Here comes the J. There's 5 minutes of mental health fucking remedy for you. It's okay. Come on. Yeah. Come on. No. Yeah.
Come on. You're not that scared. I'm not feeding you because there's galahs there. You know that. Eh? You know I'm not going to hurt you. You know that. Hmm? You don't do the corn though, do you? I'm going to do corn. Eh? Hmm? Yeah, those galahs up in the tree aren't happy. But guess what? Too bad. It's all about trust with nature. Sorry about the background noise, that's our spa. Yeah, let's leave it at that. Hey, this guy comes around every day. So I'll finish this video off. There's 3 males here. I don't know if they're young, old or whatever. One of them looks pretty young. But yeah. I've got 3 less than a metre away from me. Put a couple of piles of seed up. See how they get a bit, you know, pecky, orderish, I suppose you could call it. And they work themselves out. 3 young males, less than a metre of them away from me. They're not scared of me. I spook them every now and then. They come, they get their feed. I don't usually feed them on the porch because the seed falls into the garden bed below, which we've got pumpkins growing in. But we've had a lot of cockatoos, galahs, corellas, who actually bully these guys. And while I don't mind those other birds, if they could all get along nicely, I'd let them all share. There's 3 bird feeders over there, and just as vicious as these guys are with each other, it's insane. It's insane. The other birds just bully them and send these guys away, and these guys are pretty. Does that make sense? One just took off. There's 2 left. We get amazing array of birds here. We're getting satin bowerbirds, male and female. So we get the bluish blackish male satin bowerbird. We get plenty of the green satin bowerbirds. We get the grass parrots. We get the king parrots. We get corellas. We get cockatoos. I've had maybe 3 black cockatoos recently. They're pretty skittish. They don't hang around once you're around. But we've also had kookaburras. The bird life's amazing, and you feed them, you gain their trust, and they keep coming back. And we get these guys every year. We get them. They come down from the mountain throughout winter because we feed them. But when spring and summertime comes around, they piss off back up to the mountain to their natural feeding grounds, and there's plenty of food up there for them. And we don't see them. So they're here for 6 months, they're gone for 6 months. That is actually that fella there, if you can see on his neck. He's a pretty young bird. He's a pretty young bird, so. But he's, there goes, I don't know if you saw that one that flew past. It's up in that tree. That's a female satin bowerbird, or a bowerbird. I don't know if you call them satin bowerbirds or bowerbirds, but yeah. So anyway, join us back up on the hill for the next video. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll try and put more videos up like this. Not just our microgreen farming videos or our farming videos around the place. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up and like it and share it and subscribe it. So catch you later from up the hill until the next video. Bye bye.